Guys, we arrived in the apartment and we just checked it. It is really Moroccan style and we loved it. Oh my god, I love some of the picture. I'm gonna show you later. But anyways, we're gonna grab some stuff and then go up before we make mess, and we are gonna show there, like, you know, our apartment for a few months. Okay, let's grab the bag and let's go in. Welcome.
I might have slightly dropped the refrigerator.
No.
I hope it's not broken.
Welcome. Nice to meet you. Alright guys, this is our Moroccan apartment. Before we make a mess, so I want to show you everything, because as soon as we move all the stuff, it will get dirty and it will be messy and you cannot see well. So let's reveal our apartment for a few months. Mark is coming back, I think. Mark just dropped the refrigerator on his knee, so he got injured. He is bleeding right now. How are you, baby?
First aid kit.
Okay.
Wash it off first.
Baby.
Alright, first injury of the day. I'm sure it'll be the last.
I hope so. Okay, Mark will take care of his injury. I hope that we're not gonna get any injury when we are doing van build. I hope, cross the finger. So in front of me it is a living room. You can see it's a Moroccan style living room. And one thing I love it is the light. So this is the hallway. You can see Mark's beautiful S here. This is another Moroccan light along the hallway, and you go left side, you can see the kitchen, really big. I love it because we love to cook, and one thing is Mark always want to have a tagine. Really want it. He's really thinking to buy one, but here we have it. It's not only one. Inside here there's another tagine too, so Mark will happy to use it. So yeah, let's walk this way. If you walk this way, this is kind of, I don't know, like guest room, you should say. So there's sofa, like Moroccan style. You walk here and it is veranda, and you can see outside it's really sunny. You can see our TV right here. Cool. Here is the guard. Stay that house, so we can see the guard over there too. Alright, this is the guest room. Last one is master bed. This is our bed. We're gonna stay and sleep. There's another Moroccan light. I just turn it on. Look at that. This one too and that one too. You can just individually turn on. Oh, I love that one too. There you go. And this one I haven't turned on. Oh, look at that! Oh, I love it. So every furniture and then every thing has a Moroccan style. And you can see the blanket too. Tons of blanket. Nice. This will be the place we are gonna stay for a few months until the TV high roof will be finished. And yeah, I think we're gonna love to stay here. And I saw that some locals live here too, so hopefully we can have a, you know, good neighbor too. So anyways. guys, I said, you know, doing the apartment tour a little bit before we moved all the stuff. Yeah, right, I was right. I'm gonna show you the, you know, how it changed as soon as we bring the stuff inside of the apartment. All right. This is a refrigerator, you know, Mark got accident. This is the thing, it looks quite nice, but ta-da! It's from here to there. It's all the stuff from the car, not all the stuff. It is the stuff from the top of the furniture, top of the bed. So we haven't touched anything underneath of the bed, which is the storage area. And then we didn't even touch the roof rack either. Mark went downstairs to get more stuff, and I have to organize right now. If we don't, we are just gonna pile up here, and then we cannot even walk around the apartment. So let me organize it. That is the moving day, really moving day.
Oh man. Preparing for Korean living, huh?
Korean can stand with dirty floor. And I'm doing like my grandmother old style. Guys, we tried to get all the stuff from the TV, but actually there is some stuff we need to do it. Actually underneath, there is a battery and other stuff, and then we still have a roof. So it's like kind of like a way to go. We are not sure we can do everything tonight, but anyways, we're gonna do our best. But now it's time for dinner time, and we knew we will not have a time to cook dinner. So when we stopped the Korean restaurant in Agadir, and we picked the 탕수육. 맛있다. 오. 나는 매운 것도 못 먹으면서 짬뽕은 좋아해요. This is the 탕수육. We ate lunch in the Korean restaurant today. It is only one Korean restaurant in Agadir, so we are lucky. And we ordered the 짬뽕 and 짜장면. We ate it and we left some of the food, so we put it in our Tupperware and then brought it. And just we reheat it through the microwave, and voila, it's done. Oh, actually, this rice, we didn't order. She saw that we are packing this leftover. She said like, do you want to have a rice? Like, really? If you can give us, that would be nice. And she gave us like this tons of rice, so it's easy. We don't need to cook anything. It's awesome. And then also, we focus on the moving stuff. We forgot to render the video, so we are rendering it, and hopefully it will finish before 10, 11, I'm not sure, but hopefully it's done. We can upload a video too. Computer is working hard, and we're working hard, and we're gonna eat our Korean meal tonight. Hi guys, it's next day. Last night we ate delicious Korean food. It was so nice. Man, it took so long time to clean the apartment, and last night was the day that we have to upload a video, but we totally forgot of the rendering the video. It took a while, and upload speed here is quite slow, so putting the 60 minutes video on the YouTube, it took 2 hours, I think. 3 hours?
Yeah.
So we stood up for uploading the video 2:30 a.m. and yeah, we slept pretty late. Yeah, we are pretty exhausted. Really exhausted. We couldn't open the roof box yet, so today we have to do the the roof box days. We want to do it in the morning, but you know, in Morocco it's pretty high and we don't want to like be on the roof with the hot weather, so we decided to wait a little bit. So while we are waiting, we had to go to the supermarket because, you know, like we have to clean this apartment. It was quite dusty. So we bought the cleaning stuff, and you can see part of our grocery shopping, and here too, and chicken. The thing is, can you imagine, like it's just we have it in 24 hours exactly, and now you can see the mess we made. So yeah, it's not only here, just living room is like that chaos, and here and there, and kitchen too. So right now we are testing the Berkey water filter one. You know, like we, you know, I have water filter before, MSR pump one, but sometimes quite hard to use it. So we, most of times we rely on the bottle water, plastic bottle water, but I hate it. You know, whenever I use it, I hate it, but if I need it, I drink a lot of water. So when we do the 2.0, we wanna do, you know, better water system and then not pumping one. So this is the one we ordered, and since we moved to apartment and we wanna use it, so we just, in the morning we set up. It took a while because we need to watch the video and see how it goes and how it is. And the other thing is, like, we noticed that the package, they don't have the food coloring, and we want to see the filter is really working. So finding this one wasn't easy. We have to go to really big supermarket to find it. And yeah, anyways, we found this one, and Mark just put the colored water, and after all the filters we will know it will be fine or not, we can drink it or not. You guys can see it's such a mess. You can see the salami we brought. We love salami, so we brought from Italy and hang on there. And then Mark, conditions? How's your condition, baby? No, you say 몸살. How can you say he has an illness on body? No.
I'm sore.
Sore?
Yeah.
It's the kind of worse. Cream versus is kind of worse. Sounds like a worse because like you have whole body ache and you feel really pain. Mark is that situation right now. So anyways, we're gonna wait for the water and then clean again.
Fast then?
Yeah. Done?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Door is pretty loud. Okay, guys, today is the third day. We still need to move the roof box stuff to in the apartment. So hopefully today is the last day. Let's walk down and then clean up. Okay. Now my voice is out today. Kind of tired, I guess. Mark is gonna go out there and then clean the water tank so that we can access roof box. It's not easy to walk there.
Spider webs. Lots of spider webs. Get it?
Oh my god. So dirty. Okay. It's a lot of stuff. Couple back?
Yeah, give me the other bag. Ready?
Yeah.
Push it out a little bit more, so go out a little bit more. down.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my chest. Right.
Good. Alright. Right now.
Guys, officially done with the moving. I mean, we carry everything from the car, but I mean, seriously, we're not minimalists. That's what I can see right now. Okay, I will show you how crazy it is in here. And from the hallway. Okay. To this. This is the stuff that we had in our car, and we know that like some of parts, some of food we cannot get it in Morocco. Like there's no Korean supermarket, and some of product we like it, they are not selling in here. So we brought like more than usual, and then a lot of DIY parts. Guys, can you believe? I think we are not minimalists. I think after we do van build, we're gonna get rid of some stuff. Seriously, we have a lot of stuff. Officially, we are done. We are done. Just bring the stuff, it's done. Hey. Salam. Said salam. I brought the camera today. Oh, good to be back here. And right, let's do that stuff.